Od samog početka festivala etnofilma bile su rasprave i one nikad nisu prestale. Da li je u etnografskom filmu važnija etnografija ili je važnije filmsko delo? I to nikad nije prestajalo. Zapravo jedan fini balans između ta dva zahteva je ono što je i kvalitetan etnografski film.
I think that cinema has the possibility to express very complicated realities in a coherent way, so it's what I'm interested in. The first time I came in this area, I was very interested by the fact that everyone seemed to have a story to tell. So especially in Bosnia, I met many people the first time I was traveling alone, and I was talking to many people, and I started to have the will to understand better the region, not only recent history but also more generally. Actually, I think I like this area because of the fact that it's a very mixed history. It seems like always the places that are on the borders of different people are the most interesting and probably the most complicated, but surely also very beautiful in a way. So and yeah, I think I'm usually attracted to stories about identity, but this is my first film, Common Ground. But the one I'm doing now, it's also about identity, but it's directed at my family, so it's very different. It's in Belgium, and it can be in any kind of context, but yes, identities and how people define what people use to define themselves is something that I'm interested in. I'm a stranger, so I cannot really come and make a movie and kind of say this is my vision, and I cannot do that. So the film's aim is not to be political or give anyone's version. It's really I wanted to capture the atmosphere and the point of view of today's generation, because the film follows young people who have not known the war, or they were very, very young. So it was I wanted to talk about how they live today, what their issues are, what is their life now, and it's more about capturing an atmosphere of today than about giving an idea, my own idea of history.